Tom, powered by Better Qualified. And we got a question overnight. Question said, I'm not sure what to do, to declare bankruptcy or credit consolidation. That was it. So in a case like that, when it's a general question, I'll come back with a couple different options. On the site, if you do leave a more specific question, I can then answer it with a more specific answer. But in this case, as far as bankruptcy goes, I'm not a bankruptcy attorney, and we have many friends in that arena, but I can tell you on a general side, a lot depends on how much money you make. So there are parameters. If you make more than, you can't just declare bankruptcy. Also in a bankruptcy, a student loan or any government loan is guaranteed. So even going through the bankruptcy, you're still going to have to pay that. On the credit side, on the consolidation side, or what you choose to do with that debt, that's also going to mess up your credit, of course, for however long it takes you to pay that off. So here's the question. You have to decide where you are in that question or where you are in your life. Have you already stopped making payments on your credit cards? Is the pain and all the damage already done? If the case is yes, then consolidation might be a better term or a better way to go. However, again, it's all based on how much you make. So thanks for the question. Keep it more specific and I'll give you a more specific answer. But again, you can follow us and reach out to us in direct message or an email, and we can then converse by phone or however you want to figure out what to do next. Thanks again.